welcome once again to our YouTube channel. I want to welcome our amazing subscribers, amazing viewers, and to those that have not subscribed, do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification. You get a whole lot on this channel, experience simpler and complex facts, get to get them in simpler form for you to understand. So today we have a very important concept we want to look at. We want to look at the area of a triangle, and we're going to be using matrix multiplication to do that. So we have a question here. To find the area of a triangle with vertices points A to be 2, 4, B to be minus 1, 1, and C to be 4, half. So we're going to be using matrix multiplication, specifically a 3 by 3 matrix multiplication to do this. So just pay attention and watch closely. The first thing you want to take note of is that an area of a triangle is given to be half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So this just looking like a 3 by 3 matrix. So what we want to do is we're going to get the determinant of this and multiply by this. And so to do that, we want to arrange our points first. So you're arranging your points. You have your 2, this is your x1, your y1. Do well to label them. So your x1 here is 2, your y1 is 4, and your value here is 1. Your x2 is minus 1, you have 1, and your x3 is 4, then you have half there, 1. So you can see this is a clear case of a 3 by 3 matrix multiplication. So we're going to be doing this in a very simple manner. So follow me. The first thing you want to do is to multiply this way. You multiply this way, you multiply this other way, then you multiply this way lastly. But first thing is you want to take note of your cofactors. Positive half, I have a negative bracket here, and the last value in the bracket. And you do well from determinant. You have A, B, C, D. To get the determinant of this matrix, you take note of the major diagonal. So you're having AD minus BC. So after arranging your brackets, you want to take note of your positive, negative, positive as in your cofactors when doing matrix multiplication. You want to pick the first number here, which is 2. So you're going to start with 2. Then they are multiplying the major diagonal, subtracting from this other value here. So minus 1 times 1 should give you minus 1. Minus 1 times half should give you half, right? So you're moving to the next step now, picking the first value here, which is 4. And you're multiplying this way now. So follow the multiplication carefully. You're multiplying this way, picking your 4. So let's go. Minus 1 times 1 should give you minus 1. 1 times 4 should give you 4 here. So after that, you go with your last value. Go with your last value here. The last value, you're multiplying this way. So zoom it closely so you see the last step of the multiplication. After computing your 1 outside here, you're going minus 1 times half should give you minus half. Minus 1 times minus 4 should give you minus 4. So you want to do well to take note of your signs. So you have 2 into minus 1 minus half. You can do that here so you don't make a mistake. So this is 1. LCM is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So you have minus 3 over 2. You come back here. Minus 3 over 2. Minus 1 times minus 4 is minus 5. And you have plus. This is minus half plus 4. So let's do that here. Minus half plus 4. This is infinite as over 1. Take your LCM to 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So minus 1 plus 8, that is 7 over 2. So you have positive 1 into 7 over 2. So the next thing you want to do is, you can clearly see this is going to cancel out. 2 goes with this, you're left with minus 3 plus 20 and half plus 7 over 2. So if you look at this carefully, minus 3 plus 20 should give you 17 plus 7 over 2. If you do that carefully, 17 plus 7 over 2, have the LCM here to be 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 times 17 is 34. Plus 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. So 34 plus 7 should give you 41 over 2. So you have your final answer here to be 41 over 2. If you want to leave this in mixed fraction, you should have 2 21. Let's say you have 20 whole number 1 over 2. So successfully we've gotten the matrix multiplication to be 41 over 2, which is still the same thing as 20 whole number 1 over 2. So if you're multiplying 3 by 3 matrix, this is the way you do it. But in this case, we are looking for the area of a triangle. So we want to impute these values here. So all we're going to have is, this formula is still the same thing as saying half multiplied by the determinant, right? So we're simply going to do 1 over 2 multiplied by 41 over 2, which we had, to give us 41 over 4. So the area of a triangle with this vertex should have 41 over 4. So if you want to leave this in mixed fraction, you can have this to be 4, 10, 1. So 4 times 10 is 40 plus 1 is 44. So this is simply how to get the area of a triangle with this vertex. So do well to like this video, subscribe, and also do well to put down topics you want us to work on. Drop comments and drop observations or what you like to share with us. Thank you.